How to use Canva to make money online. So another product you can do in Canva to make some money, to create an online product, is to create a digital wallpaper. Digital wallpapers are very popular, many people buy them. You can create actually anything, you know, your creativity has no limits over there. You can create any kind of digital wallpaper. It's not difficult to do it. I'll show you in another video how to do it. Once created, you download it and uploaded your online product to different markets, for example Etsy, Creative Market, Creative Fabrica, digital bundles, your website, social media, and so on. So pretty easy to do, very creative. You can focus on some niche, you can focus on some topic, colors, style, it's up to you, and plenty of places where you can use it, and there's a demand for it. My name is Barbara Template, and I create social media templates and digital products and work with Canva Educate about Canva, how to use Canva for your business. So if you're interested in more tips or videos about how you can use Canva to create some online product and sell and create some income, watch for more videos.